What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about Decentraland, right? So basically, we're just going to be going over how much will this be worth, right? First off, if you guys don't know what Decentraland is, it's basically an online game, right? You can see here. It's super easy. All you got to do is connect your wallet, then you're in, and you can literally earn money playing the game. Now, different ways you can earn money is obviously basically by creating outfits and selling them as NFTs. You can basically do the ice poker in a sense, super simple, super fun to play. Now, the best part is even if you don't have NFTs and you don't have the money to buy the NFTs since they've gone up in a good amount of money or value, basically what you can do is all you have to do is you can even rent them and then basically just the owner gets a 30% percentage of the profit you make while you get 70%. So it's super nice, super easy, no money with that then needed. And then basically the other part of Decentraland is obviously owning real estate there. Most people now can't afford it. At the beginning you could, but not anymore. So, the other thing is, let's look at the supply. Now, sadly, the supply is decently high with a total supply of 2.2 billion. And, excuse me, very tired. And the circulating supply at 1.83 billion. So, currently sitting at $2 now. Gives it a market cap of right around sub 6 billion or 5 billion right now. So what can it theoretically go up to? Well, if it does a 5x, it will basically be at 25 billion. So let's take a look where that would put it on the ranking. So 25 billion, right? Which would put it right around in the Solano area. Now, realistically, a 5x is not bad. That will basically put it right at around, $13. So again, not bad at all, very doable. Here's the thing. I do think Decentraland can still basically 10x. Now, why do I think that, right? You're like, oh, but the market cap, right? That would basically put the market cap at $50 billion. Yeah, all right, let's take a look at that, right? If a 10x is $50 billion, that would put it right at USDC or right above XRP. And I really think that is doable. So Decentraland is still one of the good picks, right? Obviously, we're not as early as we were seeing it go, from the very beginning. Let's go down here, right? At the 10-cent mark. But again, still right now at $2.50. And we can also see it has already reached almost $6. So this is definitely one that I'm buying quite heavily right now, due to the gaming capabilities of it and everything, and a potential 10x, in my opinion. I'll even take a 5x, but a potential 10x, if not higher, right? A 10. And yes, then you're going to be like, oh, but everyone in the comments, oh, but the market cap, it can't be that high because, this and that bullshit and bullshit and bullshit, right? 10 to 15x doable within the next 2 to 4 years. Now, let's put this into perspective. I put in $10,000 and I have a chance to make $100,000 to $150,000. So my 10,000 would make me $150,000 within a time span of 4 years, right, at the longest. So since we're doing highest return, let's do the longest time frame too. What would that mean? Well, that would basically mean every year I'm almost making $40,000 off of a $10,000 investment if we want to break it down. So, do I see a reason not to do this? No, not at all. Now, same thing. If I up this $100,000, well, what would that mean? Well, that would be 1.5, so 1.4. So every year, $400,000 almost in pure profit. Sure, I'd be stupid not to do that, right? And now, why do I think this? Because I really do believe Web3, and the metaverse and everything with NFTs is actually going to explode. This is kind of right now like the early internet. Now, here's the thing about the early internet. You're either, one, when you buy, you're going to be buying a piece of garbage. Like back in the day, there were so many bullshit companies and you lost money. Or you would have to wait for a decent time. That's why I gave the 4-year time frame, because it's crypto. It's kind of sped up a little bit faster than it would be in the stock market. So again, none of this is like, oh, you should buy. No, this is just what I'm doing. So this is one of my main top 3 investments right now that I'm plugging money into on a weekly basis. So again, this is just from my perspective. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and sub, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.